Today, we'll be running you through how to install Ekodeck Plus on a timber frame using our 6mm Quickfix system. Our 6mm Quickfix system can be used to install all Ekodeck Plus boards and is a quick and easy system to use, especially when going into timber. Let's get started. There are 3 clips in your Quickfix kit: standard clips, locking clips, and C-clips. Standard clips automatically space your boards apart and attach them to the joists, while still allowing your Ekodeck Plus boards to naturally expand and contract. Locking clips pin your boards in place. You only need one of these per board. Without these, your boards can shift and come out of alignment. And finally, we have C-clips. These are used for a variety of applications, from installing your first board to fascias and even breaker boards. They're pretty handy to have. When installing Ekodeck, it is important to consider the design and layout of your deck before starting. Generally, we recommend picture framing your deck, and if your deck is over 5.4 meters in length, using breaker boards. The design and layout of your deck will affect where you start from. Generally, we recommend starting from the outside edge of your deck and working your way back to your house. This will ensure you have a full board on the most visible part of your deck. To begin, start by installing your first board. If using Ekodeck Plus Designer Series, we have edge boards available, which makes installation a breeze. Check out our other videos for more information. If you are using Ekodeck Plus Classic, check out our other video showing how to install your edge board. If starting from a wall, install C-clips and push your first Ekodeck Plus board into position. With your first board installed, you are ready to start fixing using Quickfix. To begin, insert a locking clip into the groove of the board. You only require one locking clip per board, which will be placed on the center joist. Screw down slightly to hold the clip in place. You can now insert a standard clip into the board at each remaining joist. Screw down slightly to hold the clips in place. You can now continue to install Ekodeck Plus boards in Quickfix clips, as outlined earlier. Work 6 to 10 boards at a time, or whatever you're comfortable with. Check the boards are square, then screw down the section, being sure not to over-tighten the screws. Keep in mind, if installing on hardwood joists, you may need to pre-drill to avoid shearing screws. To finish, repeat the same procedure until you have covered the whole area. You may need to rip down a board when you get to the end of your deck. This can easily be done using a circular saw. If needing to top fix the last edge of your decking, we recommend pre-drilling an oversized clearance hole, countersinking and fastening using a 10 gauge screw. If installing Ekodeck Plus Designer Series, do not top fix your entire deck. And that's how you install Ekodeck Plus using the 6mm Quickfix system, the quick and easy solution to a deck free of fasteners. Download comprehensive installation guides from our website at ekodeck.com.au.